I will not just start by giving you my academic record. I will start by introducing myself to you. My name, given name at birth by my parents, is PeterObi. That was what my parents gave me at birth. I don't answer my Igbo name because some of you might not know. What it means is that I cannot die. So I choose not to answer it. I don't know why my father gave me that name. But that's my name. My name is PeterObi. Because I'm a Catholic, I'm a Christian. Our confirmation, my confirmation name was Gregory. I love the name Gregory, great. So you will see me write always Peter Gregory Obi. I studied my primary school in Santa Maria, Onitsha, before the war. After the war, we came back. I went to a primary school called Holy Trinity, Onitsha. I was there for a few years when my auntie, who was a principal at a place called Umuoba, Anam Primary School, took me because she wanted to live with me. So I stayed there. From there, I passed common entrance to go into Christ the King College. I was in Christ the King College from September 1973 till 1978. I then went to University of Nigeria, Nsukka, from 1980 to 1984. Read philosophy and had a BA, second class in philosophy. Thereafter, I've been to so many other institutions for training, which I will show you by CV before you leave now. I'll make sure I have it circulated, and I can claim to be an alumnus of some of those schools that I went for training, among which include Lagos Business School, Kellogg Graduate School, Oxford University, Said Business School in Oxford, Cambridge, George Business School, IMD in Switzerland. There's so many other places that I've gone for training, from INSEAD in France, Columbia in New York, and all that. So these are no longer private to me. Everything I read or any thing I did, programs I participated, are documented. When I give you my CV, whenever I write down here, I'll show you what I did there, and they're open for verification. It's no longer a private thing. It must be verified. If you look at what I submitted to INEC, I submitted up to my university degree, including my youth service, and I attached the other one. The other one, quite frankly, the only thing that you require is primary and secondary school. But I attached up to university. And like I said, I went to University of Nigeria, Nsukka. It's not very far. In fact, if you go there today, the present VC, which is the first VC that is an alumnus of the university, the two DVCs are all my mates. We came in together and left together. And I can say to you so many people that I came into university together and left together. Soludo, I can call all of them. If you went to Nsukka at the time I was there, I'm one of the very few students everybody knows. And I say it without anything. So you can go and verify that one.